Let me show you how to add logos to objects in Photoshop. Drag your image to Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate. This is the logo. Remove the background with this easy method. Press Ctrl I to invert. Convert to Smart Object and move to the main document. Adjust and scale accordingly. Using the same method, remove the background and invert. This is a shiny gradient pear-like graphics printing for iPhone. As you can see, it's available in different sizes. So check the link in the description if you are interested in buying for yourself, friend and family. Group the two logos and rename it. Change the blending mode, then double click to open the blending option. Follow this process.